Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Today I'll show you how you can make money by referring your friends, family, and people from around the world to various money-making platforms to earn an affiliate commission, which, if done correctly, can start generating you quite a sizable amount of passive income depending on the platforms you use. That's why I'm making this video, to show you the various platforms that I have found throughout the years and which ones I think have some pretty decent referral programs. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's kick this off. So the first application is called Cash Giraffe, and you can find this on the Google Play Store. Cash Giraffe is one of these apps that allows you to earn money by playing games, but not only that, you can complete surveys and complete tasks and offers. By referring people to use Cash Giraffe, you receive 25% of the coins that they earn completely for free without affecting them, and they also receive 25% of the coins that you earn for free. So if you have a lot of friends, family, or people that you know on social media that like to play games, this could be a good way to actually share an income together. And you'll see here as well that there are many different PayPal cash out options that go all the way up to $26.74 with a minimum of 67 cents. Let's continue on now to the next platform. Next up, we have the money-making platform Prize Rebel. You can find Prize Rebel on Google search www.prizerebel.com. Prize Rebel is a fantastic money-making platform with literally like over 100 different withdrawal options, at least here in Australia, where you can complete surveys, play games, and complete tasks and offers. Something that I love about Prize Rebel as well is that it's available in multiple countries. Prize Rebel has a referral program where every single time one of your referrals completes a survey, you earn 25% of a bonus based on their earnings for free. So if they earn 1,000 points, aka $10, you will earn 250 points, aka $2.50, completely for free. So obviously the more people that you refer and the more surveys they complete, the better for you. By the way, if you want to join any of these platforms, I'll leave a link in the description below. Obviously you'd be helping me out by doing that. The next money-making platform is called EasyBucks. You can find it on the Google Play Store. EasyBucks has a solid referral system where you get to keep 15% of your referee's earnings for free without affecting their earnings, and your friend also gets 250 coins as a welcome bonus. Now, EasyBucks is one of these earning platforms that allows you to actually generate a decent amount of currency, but it all really does depend on your country. So if you're referring people in a country where generally you don't earn that much from applications or money-making platforms, then you kind of have to like scale your earning expectations with what you'd usually earn, but then only count 15% of that. But EasyBucks here in Australia allows you to withdraw either Amazon or PayPal currency with a minimum of about $15 PayPal for 10,800 of the coin. And as you can see here, I can generally make about $5 to $10 a day on EasyBucks here in Australia. Overall, very solid application in my opinion, and the 15% referral bonus is an extra addition. Next up, we have the application Buckjoy. So Buckjoy is a relatively new application that I discovered recently this month, and you can earn money by completing offers, completing surveys, and of course referring people. The minimum cash out on Buckjoy is $5 USD currency. You can see here you can get PayPal, Amazon, and Visa. I personally found Buckjoy's surveys to be quite low paying compared to the standard out there on the market. But the thing is about it, it has a solid referral program where you can earn 10% of what your friend earns with no limits whatsoever. So that's actually pretty decent for money-making application standards. You can see here that I've generated $3.24 though in the past by referring people. And the best thing is about Buckjoy is that they actually pay you instantly. And that's exactly what you want to see with these type of applications. The next platform is called Survey Pirate. Survey Pirate is one of these money-making platforms that has various different ways that you can generate coins, including surveys, playing games, and of course completing offers and tasks. Now, with these coins though, you can use them to cash out various different rewards, including Amazon, App Store, and PayPal Cash. Of course, depending on your country, these methods and rates are going to be different. Here in Australia, I can withdraw $5 for 4,650 coins. Now, with the referral system on Survey Pirate, when your friend enters your code, they will earn 50 coins for free. You will earn 100 coins plus 5% of all your friend's future earnings once your friend collects 200 coins from qualifying offers. So again, while not the best method out there to generate a passive income, Survey Pirate I find is still a solid platform to recommend people. Survey Pirate generally pays out within 1 to 2 days as well. The next method is by using Honeygain. You can find Honeygain by going to honeygain.com. Honeygain is available on multiple devices, not just Android, but for today's video, I'll be showing you the Android version. So Honeygain is a bandwidth sharing software / application, and essentially you share your internet connection with businesses in return for real money. It has a $20 minimum cash out though, but as you can see, I've already generated 77 cents. The way I look at Honeygain is that you install it on more devices on your account instead of just using one phone or device, because then you'd be waiting like a month for $20. But Honeygain has a great referral system where you get 500 Honeygain credits by inviting friends. Not only that, you get a lifetime bonus when you invite your friends, and your friends actually start with a $5 starting gift, and you earn 10% of their earnings for free. Of course, not affecting them. I've covered Honeygain in the past and had no issue. The next application is called LootUp. LootUp is an outstanding platform in my opinion because of the simple fact that you can earn currency through doing so many different things, such as watching videos, playing games, completing surveys, completing tasks and offers, and they even have giveaways on a daily and weekly basis. Not only can you cash out PayPal currency when you reach $1 single, you have various other gift cards as well, as you can see here on the screen. You can even withdraw cryptocurrency once you reach $5. You can earn up to 15% of your referrals lifetime earnings, but it starts out at 10%, and once you refer over 500 people, it then goes to 15%. Overall, very solid system in my opinion. The next platform is called FreeCash. FreeCash is an outstanding platform in my opinion because of the amount of earning potential it actually has. With so many different survey and offer wall providers, it's actually quite incredible in my opinion for a money making platform out there. It easily has over 15 different withdrawal methods as well, as you can see right now. Of course, depending on your country, these might change, but the reason why FreeCash is on this list is because they've recently released a new referral system. You can now earn up to 30% commission on what your referees earn. Not only do your friends get a free referral case that includes various different prizes when they sign up, and if they earn $1 or more within 2 days of signing up, they get 3 more cases. But then, as mentioned, you start off with a 5% commission rate, and then you can go all the way up to tier 10 depending on your earning potential with the referrals. So essentially, the more that your referrals earn, the more that it increases your own rank. FreeCash has paid me every single time instantly, by the way. Alright, the next platform is Vinsane. So to me, Vinsane will always be probably one of the best survey providers out there on the market at the moment. It does have its own offer wall system as well, but essentially on Vinsane you earn straight up USD currency. And you can see here from the survey list that the amount of currency that you can earn on Vinsane is through the absolute roof at the moment. Of course, depending on your country, age and gender, these prices are obviously going to change a lot. But right now, you can see I have a lot of surveys to complete here. The list just keeps on going and going and going. Now, interesting enough though, I kind of feel like I'll be disqualified from most of these surveys, so that's something to keep in mind before you refer people to the platform. You can see here the offer wall as well that offers up straight up USD currency also for completing tasks and installing games. You guys know the drill of offer walls by now. There is also a playtime reward area, which I don't really care about because it doesn't really pay that much. The referral system on Vinsane though is very impressive in my opinion. You can earn up to 30% of reoccurring commissions every time your referee makes money. The way it works, for each time a referral becomes an active user, you can either earn 10% or 30% depending on the country. When your referee earns their first $5, you will earn $2 completely for free. And every time your friend completes a survey or an offer, you get 20% of that, everyone. And depending on how active your referrals are, you can earn up to 30% of that. So that's why I say Vinsane is very impressive when it comes to referrals. They also have various different withdrawal methods as well, as you can see here on the screen at the moment. Generally though, they pay within 10 days, which is quite a long time in my opinion. The next method is using Earnably. Earnably is a money-making platform where you can earn by either completing surveys and completing offers, plus you can even watch videos as well. It seems they've done an update recently where their system has gone to a point-based system where 10,000 points equals $1 worth of USD currency. They have various different offer providers that you can go through as well, which I'm sure that the people that you refer will appreciate. Of course, again, depending on their country, they might see different options available. But as you can see, there are various different withdrawal options that I can go through if I choose to. And again, this makes Earnably a very nice platform in my opinion, especially for completing surveys and of course completing offers. Here's the PayPal list here in Australia, but as I said, it might be completely different for you out there. It goes all the way to $100 for 1 million points. Whereas I mentioned earlier, $1 USD is 10,000 points, which I can redeem and get that instantly paid to me. That's the big benefit of Earnably as well. Earnably also has a solid referral program where you earn 10% of whatever your friend earns completely for free forever without affecting them. So pretty cool. Next up, we have Atapol, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you guys have heard of Atapol by now, but if not, it's the instant paying survey application where every single day you get rewarded with real PayPal currency for completing surveys. There are also gift cards available on Atapol as well, and at the time of this recording, there's a $5 minimum cash out needed here in Australia to get your instant PayPal currency. Atapol has an absolutely outstanding referral system in my opinion, because every friend that signs up with my code, I get $1 for free. And then you get $1 for free as well, while I keep 10% of your earnings for free without affecting your earnings. So it's literally a win-win now, isn't it? Now the last method is called QMe. QMe is a top tier survey and offer platform, everyone, where you can literally complete surveys and offers on a daily basis to generate probably what I'd say is between $3 to $5 per day without any real dramas whatsoever. They reward you with straight up USD currency without any issues, and the best thing is they literally have no minimum withdrawal from what I've seen, and it's an instant PayPal cash out. There is also shop back deals as well, so if you shop through QMe, you get a little bit refunded back to your QMe account. Now QMe has quite the unique referral program. When your referee cashes out for the first time, you can either choose to keep the full $1 referral bonus, keep 50 cents and give 50 cents to your referee, or straight up give $1 to your referee. So that's why QMe is very unique. There is also the options of gift card withdrawals as well on QMe, which is excellent in my opinion. Although I'm fairly sure these have a minimum of around $5 to $10. Okay everyone, I hope that helps someone out there. Please remember to check out my YouTube channel and of course my website for many other money making reviews. Thanks for the support. See you guys tomorrow.